Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream from Milk Easy Guide. Start by chilling 1 cup of whole milk and any bowls or beaters for at least 15 minutes. Use a high-speed whisk or electric mixer and whip until soft peaks form, about 3 to 5 minutes. Sweeten lightly with 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar and add a splash of vanilla before serving for best flavor. Chill your tools and milk, then combine cold milk with a tablespoon of powdered milk or a teaspoon of cream stabilizer for improved texture. Whisk at medium-high speed, watching for soft peaks that hold but still bend at the tip, usually 3 to 7 minutes depending on equipment. Taste and add sugar or vanilla gradually, stopping when you reach a light, airy texture that spreads easily on desserts. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a game changer for keeping kitchen floors spotless while you cook, and it even listens to voice commands so you can focus on whipping cream. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want kitchen calm, give it a look. Now let's get back to the video. If your whipped cream is too runny, cool it quickly and try folding in a teaspoon of powdered milk or a stabilizer to thicken. Watch closely to avoid overwhipping, which can make the mixture grainy or separate into butter and liquid. For optimal flavor and texture, serve right away or keep it chilled in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours, giving it a gentle refluff before using.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.